go bank for Urumi, go they terrorize, they operate, they collect wetin no be their own. He pay me. Say this Omila rob for good hours. No policemen go there. No soldiers go there. No navy go there. Air Force no go. Civil defense no go. Even vigilante and native doctors no go. They just operate successfully. They pack money with Ghana must go carry waka. But woman, you get beer? I beg give me beer. May I take beer my pains of our loved ones when lost their life for Urumi. You get broom? Give me broom. Oh! Oh, Bamemegbe! It dey pay me! It's so obvious!
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about this our brother where they use broom say they do comedy. This our comedian. He saying go Urumi, go do MC. He say as he reach there, 9 years so they say about the rob for the bank way near the place where for go do MC. He said they rob. Now wow. He said this armed robber they rob for inside bank, collect money for how many hours. He said soldiers, all those ones just go ahead. These people rob like the way they go say they okay for they come out. You see Naija, that our country now. God now go save us for that country, sha. God now go save us. Like seriously. Rob. Soldiers go hide. They even show that they go hide, my people. Like I was like, am I dreaming? So when I just leave these people, make they rob like the way they go take really satisfied before they come out. Soldiers go hide, police go hide. They not come out. If it be saying out then now, I be my people. If it be saying out then, because what our police people cannot do does not exist for that Nigeria there. If it be saying out then, how can a brother come rob for how many hours? They sit down, rob wella. They not see police we go rescue people. And they even mess up people self. Now wow. Nothing we will not go here for the social media. Sha. As I see this video just now, my people, the thing shockalize me. It shockalize me. I put the video where that our comedian talk. When I go shock. Now wow. This is the happen.
Get information. Say some group of Omila go bank for Urumi. Go they terrorize, they operate, they collect wetin no be their own. He pay me. Say this Omila rob for good hours. No policemen go there. No soldiers go there. No navy go there. Air Force no go. Civil defense no go. Even vigilante and native doctors no go. They just operate successfully. They pack money with Ghana must go carry waka. But woman, you get beer? I beg give me beer. May I take beer my pains of our loved ones when lost their life for Urumi. You get broom? Give me broom. Oh! Oh, Bamemegbe! It dey pay me! It's so obvious that our security in this country, Nigeria, is on a zero level. How can Omila operate for hours? No security personnel show face. It's a big shame to our country, Nigeria.
My brother, good afternoon.
There is nothing good about this afternoon.
I beg wait, make I carry my chair near you small. Wetin dey happen?
You go say you no hear wetin happen for Uromi yesterday.
Oh, that Uromi matter pain me. E pain me. Not be that same Uromi, na police go dey chase small boys inside town. But when time reach for police to actually do their job, police dey find where they want for hide.
The one wey pay me pass for this matter, they dey terrorize for Uromi when we all know say na peaceful ground where we dey always dey go every December go dey enjoy life. Soldiers wey suppose to catch all these small boys like rabbit, soldiers go hide near kiosk. They be tell us say soldiers are well trained for war. As soldiers see war, they go hide for near kiosk like man no war.
Oh, my brother.
This is why I love US Army. Assuming say na US Army, hey, as they dey there where they for the operate, instantly you go see say US Army go call for backup. Hello, this is Sergeant Smith. I'm calling for backup. There are some group of robbers right now. They are robbing the bank at Ago 90. Please back up. It looks as the guns they are holding is more sophisticated than our weapon. Please call for backup. Please back up. Bring some grenade. Bring some dynamite. Bring some bomb.
I saw that they do. But
But as e reach our soldiers turn, they no fit call. People wey no get phone, na dem wan make call.
if they even call, who they call sef? You get fuel for motor wey want take call?
Who no even get card? You no get recharge card for phone, dem wan make call.
My brother, na yesterday I know say soldiers fit turn to road safety. They come dey control traffic instead of to arrest people. Oh, it's a painful thing.
Soldiers wey no even fit arrest ordinary wetin dey call dem when dey pursue our people, dey kpai our people for bush, Fulani herdsmen.
Oh,
na dem wan arrest Omila. Na dem wan arrest wetin dey call people wey dey operate for Sambisa forest.
all those Boko Haram.
This is why Nigeria, sorry to say, no be say I dey curse our country, e no fit better.
Oh,
E no go fit better like our security force no know their self. Let me get some alcohol.
see, my people say no matter how coffee fine, person no go ever wish to lie down inside for comfortable rest. E dey pain me say this country where we dey so, all the seeds where we don sow, e be like say now we wan dey reap am. Why? Job e no dey this country. Even school where youth go they dey on strike. Wetin this government really dey do now for this country, me I no know. Wetin dey pay me pass, the youth